Good morning. I'd like to talk about one of my favorite games at the hardware store. It's called Always Cruise the Clearance Rack. Always. If you go to the same hardware store on a regular basis, you'll get to learn where the clearance stuff is hidden. Usually it's at the back of the store or on a rolling cart, so it just depends. But if you walk the entire store, every time you go a couple trips, you'll get to learn where they hide the clearance stuff. Always cruise the clearance. And I'm not just talking about your local hardware store or like your big box store like Lowe's or Home Depot or Menards. I'm talking about other stores, like where I live we have Meijer. They have electrical stuff too. The current house I'm in, I bought all the dimmers for it at 60% off because they were clearancing the toggle style because the panels were coming in. But this house has all toggle style switches. The other one you'll see too often is that maybe your house has the color, say in my case, the color white. I got a dimmable LED nightlight for $2 instead of $15 because it's not white, it's almond. And actually that's going to be the target of today's videos. We are going to repaint this bad boy white so it will match my house and thereby saving boatloads of money. This one I bought, I don't know, a year ago. I know I might use it sometime. They don't really go bad. I've been on a campaign for years to get rid of all incandescent lights and put in LEDs. We'll show that as today's product. But let me show you a couple others I picked up recently. This is a Lutron Maestro. This is the most expensive dimmer on the market. And it's an occupancy sensor dimmer. So it slowly fades up and slowly fades down. Programmable by you. And it works for every kind of bulb, including LEDs. This is a $40 switch if you were to buy it. This one's from Home Depot. I bought it for $18.99 because it was an open box. Literally, switches have nothing that could be lost. Everything's screwed to the unit. Here's one I got at my local do-it-best hardware store. I got this at clearance rack recently. This is a twin pack of Lutron Maestros. It was $60, for sale $29. And they're even the right color, and they come with a nice plate. Always cruise the clearance racks. I'm going to take this one apart and I'm going to repaint it, and then I'm going to put it back together, and then I'm going to install it. Come along and I'll show you how to do it.